Hello, welcome to Online Qs, the YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on your Mac, laptop or desktop without using your mouse. So I'm going to turn on the keyboard viewer on my PC so that you can kind of see what I'm doing right now. So basically, copy and pasting on your Mac is very easy. It just requires simple commands like Command and C and Command and V. So I'm gonna pretend I'm researching on Batman. So I Google it, and then I click on this link, and I'm gonna highlight the information that I want to copy. So I click on the Command and C keys on my keyboard, and then move over to my document over here, and in order to paste it I'm going to use the keys Command and V. So I'm going to undo that. As you can see on my keyboard viewer over here, the keys that I'm using are very simple: Command and C for copying stuff from anywhere, and Command and V for pasting stuff onto documents like Word or your notes. So this is how you can easily copy and paste on your Mac without the use of your mouse. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos.